Akwaba, wa frame Adwoa searching Mesro. Now wa subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell also for more news.
And truly, nipa na ewu no. Omu na nkramofo. Se oyeke okonkramo de me nka but omu na Muslim names me nka ne sa. Omu na wo nkramodin. Na eya na eja se munua a woni munna de mutipo fom afre ala ni ama okobra ni etinye betwam to munua no so se bi wo yesei na mu de bufuo munua na ka kire mu se me pese me beya de abebo ma enkran mufu nyina benya ahoto ya clear for long time. Oko Ghana me case su play me to sabi open communities are here on pa no me the poorest pa o Ghana Zongus Muslims communities, they are poor. Muslims community, they are very poor in terms of education. They also know for they are more but even in terms of education they are weak. Sanko for ye guwe ya ekotomu na egu nei. Wabusa omuso omu ere oma ewo ebusua. Yes. Omu bi betimi abayenka de focus ye. Esika focus ye wo man mu. Ya ti omu nkwa na so prekupe omukọ. Ade e wo ni mu anka ese nkwa de be gwa ni community no. Ese wantimi enye do anko school. Enye gna papa bi anye nti ana wakoto sa ahawo ya mane mu a why no gangari ya enkenya sa na de bo onu se nka won de nko ye atritiri asam ya money se onko chinchin ko kunipa ya money se enkwasasem bia na ya be frɛ ni kai nki a mpe na omede ni ko din kwasasem da bi ya money sa na ese ahokyere ese obre amane ai wo zungo communities ni na omunni sa ahomegye ni ahomekan nti no omunni na no na sa perception no aba omadwene mu and they use them after just throw them away. Look at them, he has gone. John Mahama is alive. Esidun Ketia is alive. Sami Jamfi enjoy and or kwasa rin people is alive. Otuko no henkwase fu wenu na titiase na hwe memma akutututo tintintinti abrane a wo ma wo se memma ye hia wo de aye oman no daache. They gone all in the name of NDC, all in the name of wickedness, and your own brother abediness of to me. Na mo zongo communities motimi di Moses Mbuaka say mi sumi ko school me do say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ene ofaye ni anu ma bi go go India so nko bo doctor degree say le be ya zongo communities no mo so e basa wo ni ade e se mo so mo ni ade no enu kwa so obi ehunu kwa na omko gintete ni efi bi mehwemo etika onfele proud say unua ne be sa de ntino ye mo na chidom na omuntimi pushi dodo nanka edmunyam ne ba motimenya access na na do go for buy out this zongo community one ni fa zongo development one ni hwe mabunu a any free education buy e mabunu a anya mfaso a nanka ma wofo no entimi nye scale for mun go school and omun natimi graduate through free education. Yes, sir. Yen you are Muslimi for the bise. Omonti said the good. Say Jensen Johnny could not Yesua. Not how good come said the war man. As a man do clear I'm do clear job bar. And I owe. Not how good come. No one is a boy, no carahono. No more sa. Or uncle, unless anyone knew. Or call this Jimmy and almost so ya. The bias sponsor or Messa Team 50 or Mushi. Centronia, who show Rogeria, my dressing neat, to come out, air conditioning bomb, or if I could say, and diesel to it, no candy, echoes of mine. With the sabon Canadian, the Jimmy and Wa, at the yes, and Juma. Yes, and Juma. You're going to go to and then the moon number table. I feel monks at trapo and trapo. I feel now, and I say, I feel need to like I say, because now they are you know, I'm on party soon. We should get ready. I'm going from that. Baby, we are prefer or I prefer the memory. We should get ready. And no baby, just the beginning.
No, sir, me would get a cup of me. What? Let me wait what you respect. Me needs her Gina, your son. No. Kutupa, so we show be Kutupa. So we show be Kutupa, so we put some money. And some money in DNA, a whoop and a few. It's a young dog for a young couple. Young beauty and young radio suit, young TV suit. In ten will be cut you, take a young carry of fine. Who better than the near Jim Draw. Or I don't know. When you make big concert, office to office, telephone to telephone, woman of a bodyguard, who take their uncle, really good for you. They don't have anything to protect. Into a money you and farm, near the Abandon was in a no room. The cars are an cemetery. Many cars are cemetery. We live in a nation that some of the media guys think they are above the law. What is that, Captain Smart? You need your orgy, but me, they will be privacy. Obiawari omisem no beto radio so na no to ye nyafado dixin no get ban ho no ba ka be atam who is he when Captain Smart o nyankopon won ni nipa odi kan why radio adwuma e wo Ghana ha won the first morning show host ana give us a break me catch am me tabon tonko o blati go face Jesus Christ of Nazareth Ghana this is 7 periods nipa na wuti say nwane into radio ni team mo kwata so a no nya anything positive to discuss dan say we be say be kutu paso mo kodi say we nipa nko say be e gina mo nipa we due ya bo to sa na ku kwata no me so hie nyan wo yo mo say nyan sa be be to da ni jifu ya to chunk of what be so Ghana ha government so this nation does not belong to any single radio presenter or TV presenter. No single radio presenter or TV presenter owns Ghana. No one. No one need to be doing. I'm going to say that me or the I don't have time for that. Say you make some work you not to. Many people no want some. Many people who now you need to radio so you can do you hypocrite. Yeah, from. There's nothing so no when I said Kutupa. Mama for we say it's not Ghana hacking and to my young out of war. No one to hear that is what will not be